Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Dropbox camera upload after unboxing a new phone. Step. To begin, unbox your new phone and power it on. Once the phone is set up, locate and open the App Store. In the search bar, find the Dropbox app in the search results and tap on it. Select install or get to download the app to your phone. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the Dropbox app. If you already have an account, tap on sign in. For new users, tap on Create Account to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create your account. After signing in, grant the necessary permissions for Dropbox to access your photos and media. Once inside the app, tap on the Account tab at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Camera Uploads from the list of options. Turn on the Camera Uploads toggle switch to enable the feature. You may see options for uploading over Wi-Fi only or also over mobile data. Select your preferred options for uploads. You can customize settings like whether to upload videos as well. Once you've adjusted the settings, exit the menu. Your photos will now automatically upload to Dropbox whenever you connect to your chosen network. To verify, check your Dropbox folder to see if image. That's it. Your camera uploads are now enabled on your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.